Hi, I'm Jason.
And I'm Linda, and we're from Harcourts Advanced. Today we are excited to bring to you this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, the beautiful Jerramuda, a 37-acre property in the gorgeous and picturesque Lower Portland.
This massive 7-bedroom home surrounds itself in breathtaking 360-degree views, an in-ground pool and spa, access to the river with your very own boat ramp and jetty. Come with us and have a look at what is Jerramuda.
The Jerramuda estate has been operated as a successful B&B over the last 12 years, which means that all rooms downstairs are equipped with their own ensuite, spa bath and air conditioning.
Upstairs we have a magnificent lounge room with some of the best views you'll get in the entire Hawkesbury.
If you love entertaining, you can't go past this beautifully renovated kitchen. Open plan dining that flows seamlessly to 4 bedrooms, all with built-ins. This wonderful in-ground pool is fully equipped with a spa and its own toilet and shower, your very own oasis.
This large Queenslander-style balcony offers 360-degree views, and when you come out onto this 8x8 metre rotunda, you'll truly feel like you're standing on top of the world. Should we go down and look at the boat ramp?
Yes, let's go. Down here we have a wonderful space for barbecues, setting up for a day of fishing and skiing, all with your very own boat ramp, jetty and registered buoys.
Guys, we said at the start that this property has loads to offer, but don't just take our word for it. Come and experience what is the magic of Jerramuda. I'm Jason.
And I'm Linda, and we're from Harcourts Advanced.